Oh my God. You guys join me in the middle of the canyon just outside of, and today we're going to be taking my straight pipe BMW M4 on a POV drive. So let's go ahead and hop inside, get on the road. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh my, listen to that. So we could just see this car, man. It's just too much fun. A lot of low-end torque. Stock is around 415 pound-feet of torque. With the tune, we're looking at around 530 pound-feet of torque. So this specific car has more torque than horsepower. So it's really easy to get those rear tires spinning. We're actually gonna give you another demonstration right here real quick. Listen to that. Nice M4. Oh, that thing was slammed. It looks good in black. Oh, nice AMG and a Hummer. That's sick. Cool thing about these canyons, you see so many cool cars just coming up here for photo opportunities around sunset time. Speaking of photo opportunities, got a Rolls, a Bentayga, Miata. So now that we hit some traffic, we can talk a little bit. So confirmed, there are 2 more mods coming to this car. But after that, you know, do we add more power? Do we make the car even louder by installing catless downpipes? I'm not quite sure. I'm kind of faced with this question, not really certain what to do. Because if you ask me, the car is plenty loud as is. So you know, making this thing even louder than what it already is, it makes me a little hesitant, because this thing is a blast as is. Plenty of power, plenty of sound, plenty of looks. I mean, this car is very visually appealing. Nice F80. So yeah, it's kind of tough to figure out what to do next with this thing. You guys have to comment below, let me know your thoughts. What kind of mod should I do? If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Oh my god. Oh my, that was just absurd. For those of you guys who say this car doesn't sound good, I don't know what to tell you. This car makes some crazy noises, man. Everything from that turbo spooling up, you hear those whistles from the turbos, then you hear the whips from the wastegates, and then you got those crackles and pops and bangs to follow. And not to mention the sounds of the DCT, the downshifts. Nice Sylvia. I mean, the car is pretty chaotic once you tune these cars and add the exhaust. I mean, you really don't need to go any further than that. I am just loving, absolutely loving this car. So, wait. There goes that Sylvia. You can see the car back on the outside after running it. You can see this thing just looks beautiful. It's seriously fast. But the thing, you know, even just from that little bit of ripping, the wheels are pretty much clean. You can see just how much brake dust this thing collects, and that just says something about the stopping power and just the overall performance of this car. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be doing a lot more POVs and content like this. Also check us out on Instagram for more Beamer Fam content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.